Hi there, today we're going to make a vegetable tart. If you hear funny noises in the background, you'll probably hear my little dog. He snorts like a pig. Anyway, getting back to the cooking. I've got 500 grams of tomatoes here, which I'm going to wash and pick. There's always a runaway one. Let those drain off and we get our pastry ready. We've got a pre-made rolled out puff pastry and we've got our baking sheet here, and this should be just the right size for the sheet. Done. So what we're going to do, around the edge, we're going to score a line about 2 centimetres in, just around the edges, but don't do it all the way through. And just use your knife and crisscross around the edge. Remembering not to go all the way through the pastry. And then we're going to crack our egg and we're going to put egg wash around the edges. Chilly. And when you brush the egg on, just be careful not to get over the edge because it will stop the pastry from rising. Just gives it a nice glaze when it's finished. I've preheated the oven to 220 degrees centigrade, which is about gas mark 7, about 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In the middle, we're going to spread about 3 tablespoons of pesto, green pesto. Don't know if you've had pesto before, but it's quite a strong flavour, made from olives. Just being careful not to get round to the edges. Right. Okay, just let it go a minute. Tomatoes, and we're going to halve the tomatoes. I'm going to lay them on nicely. We've got red and yellow tomatoes here, cherry tomatoes, on the vine because they've got a lot more flavour. This recipe, it takes about 10-15 minutes to prepare, and it's about half an hour in the oven. Right. And you want to lay this, just do them, alternate the red and yellow, so it gives it a lovely colour. But it doesn't have to be too perfect. Right. Going to add some salt and pepper. We're going to drizzle some olive oil over the top. And there we have it. It's ready to go in the oven. Takes about 25-30 minutes, okay? The tart's been in about half an hour now, so it should be about ready. I've checked it a couple of times. So it's lovely and golden brown around the edges. So I'm going to cut a portion up and set on a plate with a little bit of side salad. Be careful, it's very hot, not to burn yourself. Just a bit of mixed salad on there, be nice. So this is roast tomato tart, I'll call it roast vegetable tart. There you have it, delicious. Thanks for watching.